It's said that if you sneeze with your eyes open, your eyeballs can pop out. Could that really happen? A sneeze can shoot air out at more than 75 miles per hour, so Adam and Jamie decided to test it. Jamie sniffed pepper to make himself sneeze, but every time, his eyes shut tight. Adam tried next, but he couldn't keep his eyes open either. Then Adam used his hands to hold his eyelids open and sneezed again while high-speed cameras filmed it. The sneeze was huge, but his eyes stayed right where they were. Afterward, his eyes hurt, so he went to an eye doctor. The exam showed no damage, just irritation from holding them open too hard. The eyes are safely held in place by strong muscles and tissue, so they won't pop out. Myth busted.